was just checking in with you. You don't have to try to think of things to say.
What is that, Caleb?
Yeah.
It's a house? A baby house.
A big house all to the ceiling.
Oh.
All the way to the ceiling.
Who lives in that house? Who?
You lived in it.
Caleb.
Caleb did?
And baby Emma.
Yeah.
Can Uncle Dustin and Aunt Bethany come to that house? Yeah.
What about Aunt Bumbo?
I will.
It fell down.
We'll fix it.
He's just building his blocks and stuff.
Sound asleep.
Good idea.
Baby Emma.
Sister Kristen.
You're fixing it. It's
I'm gonna put this on Facebook.
Yeah, he's got a good imagination.
What about these?